What if you could transform that skill you are passionate about into a thriving coaching or consulting business? Join edety.com's community of freelance coaches and consultants that are earning by sharing their knowledge with people virtually all over the world. Getting started is easy, and it's 100% free. You'll receive a custom URL to easily share your business. Plus, your profile will be automatically advertised on Edety's marketplace so customers can find you. To ensure you don't miss any business opportunity, Edety provides multiple options for you to engage your customers, such as chat, appointments, on-demand one-on-one sessions, group events, and high-definition video conferencing software. Getting paid is simple. Once you have completed offering services to a client, Edety will automatically bill the client and immediately transfer the funds to your account. Join today and transform your passion into a business.